Hey everyone. If you're using Canva only for simple posts, yeah, you're barely scratching the surface. In this video, I'll show you how to create advanced marketing campaigns using Canva. First, clarify your objective. I mean, brand awareness, product launch, lead generation, or sales. Click Create a Design. Select formats matching your channels like Instagram, Facebook ads, presentations, or email headers. Keep visuals consistent. Yeah, use the same colors, fonts, and style across all assets. Create key creatives. I mean, ads, promotional graphics, landing visuals, and social posts. Enhance designs with shadows, gradients, animations, or mockups. This adds depth and professionalism. Resize instead of redesigning. Yeah, Canva's resize tool saves tons of time. Design email banners, stories, thumbnails, and presentation slides. I mean, campaigns work best when fully integrated. Download files based on usage. PNG for web, PDF for print, MP4 for animated content. After launch, track engagement, clicks, and conversions. Yeah, use analytics from your marketing platforms. And that's it. Canva isn't just a design tool. It's a powerful campaign creation platform when used strategically.